AI is transforming the world, and one skill is standing out in this revolution: prompt engineering. Did you know you can turn this skill into a profitable income stream? Let's dive into how you can use prompt engineering to earn money. First, let's understand what prompt engineering is. Prompt engineering is the process of crafting clear and effective instructions or prompts that guide AI tools to deliver high-quality outputs. These tools generate anything from blogs and designs to coding solutions. The better the prompt, the better the result. In today's AI-driven world, this skill is in high demand as businesses and individuals look for ways to maximize the potential of AI tools. Now, how can you make money with this skill? Here are 4 opportunities. Selling prompt templates. You can create ready-to-use prompt templates for specific purposes like generating marketing copy, productivity hacks, or creative ideas. These templates can be sold on platforms like Gumroad or Etsy. Each sale generates passive income, making it a great way to monetize your expertise. And freelance prompt writing. Many businesses struggle to effectively use AI tools and they are willing to pay for help. You can offer your services as a freelance prompt engineer, creating custom prompts for clients. Platforms like Fiverr and Upwork are excellent places to find these opportunities. Now, building AI-assisted content. If you are a writer, designer, or coder, you can combine your expertise with prompt engineering to generate AI-assisted contents. For example, you could create blog posts, design mockups, or even code snippets using AI tools and then sell them as completed projects. Now, then comes teaching prompt engineering. You can teach the skills to others. With the rising interest in AI, there is a growing demand for courses and workshops on prompt engineering. You can create online courses on platforms such as Udemy or host live training sessions to share your knowledge and earn money. Let's look at some real-world examples. Sarah, a freelance marketeer, earns a steady income by creating AI-driven campaigns for small businesses. George, a tech enthusiast, launched an online course teaching prompt engineering. His course now reaches thousands of students, providing him a passive income. And Lisa, an artist, sells AI art prompts on Etsy, earning passive income every month. As you can see, prompt engineering isn't just a skill, it's an opportunity. It allows you to innovate, create, and earn regardless of your background. So why wait? Start experimenting with AI tools, refine your prompts, and explore these opportunities to turn your skills into a thriving income stream. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips.